Hey everyone, it's Isaac from the Flutter Markup language dev team. Today we are going to look at a quick way of getting a cross-platform application set up and running over your local network using Xampp and Flutter Markup language. If you aren't familiar with FML, you can check out our wiki and documentation. The links will be in the description. This video is intended to be a quick start guide. If you already have your own file server set up or are familiar with Xampp, you can skip ahead to downloading the FML server files. That being said, let's get started. For our purposes, we are going to use a Windows PC and an Android phone, but you can choose the platform that you have available. First, we are going to download Xampp by going to apachefriends.org and selecting our platform. Once the installer opens, click OK, then Next. On the Select Components page, uncheck Everything and click Next. Take note of the install location and click Next until you get to the progress bar. Once it is done installing, uncheck the prompt asking to start the control panel now and select Finish. Now, we are going to search for Xampp in the Windows bar and right-click the application. Select Run as Administrator and click Allow on the prompt. Once open, click the red X beside Apache to install the component. Next, we are going to select the Apache config and choose httpd.config. Search for listen80 and replace it with listen8080. Save the document and close it. Choose Apache config again, select http xampp.config, scroll to the bottom and look for this block within the directory tags. Make sure the whole block matches. Replace require local with require all granted. Save and close this window. Click config in the top right, service and port settings, then change main port from 80 to 8080. Save both windows and click start to start the Apache component. Double check status is running and ports list 8080 as well as 443. To get the address to our server, there are two ways. First, we open the command prompt, type ipconfig, find your connection method, and copy the IPv4 address. For the second way, click your networks, properties, and find the same IPv4 address listed. Copy this address and paste it into your browser. We are going to add :8080 to the end and http:// to the front of this address. Hit enter, and you should see this dashboard. To confirm this is running on your local area network, you should do the same thing on another device connected to the same network. Now, we are going to set up the FML server files. Navigate to fml.dev, Getting Started, and then choose Web. Click on the link to install. After the install, navigate to your Xampp folder location to find the folder called htdocs and delete its contents. Take the FML server.zip file and extract it to htdocs. Now we are going to re-enter our server address into the browser. As you can see, our server is configured and our FML app is now running as a web app. To link our server to the Windows app, let's go back to fml.dev Getting Started and select your desktop platform. Download the file, extract the zip file for your desktop, and double-click the exe to launch the app. Within the desktop app, we are going to choose Add App, enter the same address as we did in the browser, choose a name, and connect. And there you have it, the same app running in desktop and as a web app. To get mobile up and running, you can follow the link from the Getting Started page, or search Flutter Markup Language in the App or Play Store and install the app. Once installed, open the app, click Add App, and enter the same address as both web and desktop. Choose a name, and connect. And there's our mobile application. Now that we have the application running on all platforms, we will quickly go over how to edit and build FML applications. Navigate to the htdocs folder within your Xampp folder. Templates, and choose the template you would like to modify. Pick any text editor you would like. Modify the template. And click Save. Now you can see when we navigate to the modified page on each platform, the changes we made are reflected immediately. As FML is an interpreted language, we will always see changes instantly as they are made. And there you have it. If you would like to learn more about building your app in Flutter Markup Language, you can visit the wiki where we have examples and documentation. The link is in the description. For any questions or feedback, please leave it in the comments section below, or join our Discord to talk directly to the Flutter Markup Language community and developers. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date as we roll out more content to help you build cross-platform applications using Flutter Markup Language.